everyone. Welcome back to Inside Finance, where we simplify the world of finance and make it accessible to everyone. Today, we're exploring a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we handle our money: open banking. If you've ever wanted to know how you can take more control over your financial data and access better financial services, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is open banking? In simple terms, open banking allows banks and financial institutions to securely share your financial data with third-party providers using standardized and regulated APIs, or application programming interfaces. This innovation aims to give you more control and flexibility over your financial interactions and services. Let's break down how open banking works. Authorization: you, as the customer, grant permission for your bank to share your financial data with third-party providers. This is typically done through a secure authentication process where you consent to the data sharing. API access: after you give your consent, your bank provides a third-party service with access to your data through an API. This data can include details like your transaction history, account balances, and other relevant financial information. Integration: the third-party service uses this data to offer you tailored financial services. This might include budgeting tools, personalized investment advice, or even new payment solutions that are more efficient and user-friendly. So, why should you care about open banking? Let's dive into the key benefits. Enhanced financial management: one of the biggest advantages of open banking is improved financial management. With open banking, you can use apps that aggregate all your financial information from different accounts into one place. This gives you a comprehensive view of your spending, saving, and overall financial health, making it easier to manage your money effectively. Personalized financial services: open banking opens up opportunities for third-party providers to offer customized financial services. For example, you might use an app that analyzes your spending patterns and provides tailored budgeting advice or investment recommendations based on your specific financial situation and goals. More competition and better rates: by enabling new players to enter the financial services market, open banking fosters competition. This increased competition can lead to better rates and services as financial institutions and third-party providers strive to offer more attractive products to win your business. Innovative payment solutions: open banking can also facilitate more efficient payment methods. For instance, you might use a service that allows you to make payments directly from your bank account without needing to go through traditional payment gateways, potentially saving time and reducing transaction fees. Improved accessibility: open banking can improve accessibility to financial services for underserved communities. With more options available, people who might not have had access to traditional banking services can now benefit from innovative financial solutions that meet their needs. Streamlined account switching: open banking can also make it easier to switch banks or financial services. With access to your transaction history and other data, new banks or financial providers can more easily set up your new accounts and transfer your financial information, reducing the hassle and time involved in switching. Enhanced fraud detection: by leveraging data across multiple sources, open banking can improve fraud detection and prevention. Advanced algorithms can analyze patterns in your transactions more effectively and alert you to suspicious activities more quickly. Financial health insights: open banking can provide deeper insights into your financial health. For example, some apps can use your transaction data to create detailed reports on your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you could save money or invest more wisely. Seamless integration with other services: open banking allows for better integration with other financial services. This means you can use a single app to manage various aspects of your financial life, from investments to insurance, all in one place. Customizable financial goals: with open banking, you can set and track personalized financial goals more effectively. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or planning for retirement, financial tools can provide tailored advice and progress tracking based on your specific objectives. Better customer support: as financial institutions and third-party services compete for your business, you may experience improved customer support. Companies are more likely to offer better service and respond quickly to your needs to maintain their competitive edge. Now, you might be wondering about security, rightly so, given how important it is when dealing with financial data. Here's what you need to know. Strict regulations. Open banking operates under strict regulations to ensure the security and privacy of your data. For instance, in the European Union, the PSD2, Payment Services Directive 2, governs open banking practices, requiring banks and third-party providers to comply with rigorous security standards. Secure data handling. Data shared through open banking is encrypted and protected through secure channels. Third-party providers are also required to implement robust security measures to safeguard your information from unauthorized access. Customer control. You have control over who can access your data. You can grant or revoke permissions as needed, ensuring that you remain in charge of how your financial information is used. Transparency. Open banking regulations require clear communication about how your data will be used. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about which services to use and how your data will be managed. Regulatory oversight. Regulatory bodies oversee the implementation and operation of open banking to ensure compliance with laws and standards. This oversight helps protect consumers and maintain the integrity of the financial system. So, how can you get started with open banking? First, check if your bank supports open banking and which third-party services are available in your region. Many banks are increasingly adopting open banking practices, and you might find a variety of apps and services that can enhance your financial management. In summary, open banking is transforming the financial landscape by offering greater control, flexibility, and innovation in managing your finances. Whether you're looking for better budgeting tools, personalized financial advice, or more efficient payment solutions, open banking provides a pathway to more advanced and user-friendly financial services. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on more financial insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about open banking or suggestions for future topics, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.